Hagibis Mac Mini M.2 docking station with SSD enclosure. Except for the device, it is also equipped with a data cable. Vertical design data cable. SSD thermal grades user manual. Made of aluminum alloy. Two USB 3.2 ports are made on the front of the docking station, SD for port, and a micro SD for high-speed card reader. USB 2 port, 5 volts 3 amperes power supply port is designed at the back. HDMI port, host port. M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure is installed at the bottom. These are for different specifications of SSD. The data transmission can be up to 10 Gbps. Used with dust cover. It is seamlessly integrated with the Mac Mini. USB for SSD enclosure can also be stacked at the bottom. SSD enclosure docking station can be stacked at will. Storage in the Mac Mini storage case.